Next row inside in the 85 car, that's the Orange Crush. And I got to get his name real quick here. That is the 85 of Logan Julian. Outside of Logan in the 4 car, that would be Brian Baldiga. And inside row 3, the 17 of Jessica Talley. Outside of Jessica in the 6 car, that's our short tracker driver, David Russell Jr. They're going to pick up speed. We're going green this time around. Say it with me. Green flag, and we're racing. Maybe. That almost went 3 wide right off the get-go.
And they are racing as Michael Rose in the 01 is out front. Except for that 31 car all of a sudden of Mick Ellis with a quick pass.
Man, they almost made it looked like they made contact there out of turn 2. Mick Ellis, the leader of the group here, pulling away. But here comes David Russell Jr. And that very fast number 6 car.
Right on his tail is that 85 of Logan Julian. He's making a nice move on the low side and will now challenge the 31 of Mick Ellis, who's got 20 years of racing in the Super Cup Series.
So I think he's definitely a fan of this division, Eric. How about you for that many years of racing here?
I would say he loves it. As David Russell Jr. in that 6 car is working his way around Logan Julian for that 2nd spot, and now will chase the 31 of Mick Ellis.
6 car former driver was Amanda Bone, who's now racing American Short Trackers as they are off tonight. As you are watching David Russell Jr. challenging for the lead here. We'll see if Mick Ellis can hold him off or if it's going to be Russell to take the lead.
Jessica Talley in that 17 car now working on the 85 of Logan Julian. Still Talley in her 4th year. Currently 3rd overall in the points for the American Super Cup. In that 4th spot with a battle is the top 4 right there, John.
Well, 0-1 right off the get-go. Started on the front, looked okay, made contact with maybe Mick Ellis there, and now he's kind of trailing off there. Must be something just a little bit off with that 0-1 car there, and currently in the 6th spot there in this race.
Possibility, but Mick Ellis in that 31 still out front. David Russell Jr. in the 2nd spot.
I suppose we haven't said much about this driver. We should. And the 4 car to Carroll Stream is Brian Baldiga, sponsored by Equipment Repair. Excuse me, that's his occupation. But yeah, Brian Baldiga in that 4 car, currently sitting in 5th, starting to lose away from the group here as they're coming around to take the white flag. It could be Russell this time, maybe not.
Mick Ellis still in the lead. David Russell Jr. on that low side has been working him hard, working him fast, and he's now in the lead along that backstretch.
This could be a photo finish, Eric, as they're coming around. Here we go. It's going to be Russell. It's going to be Ellis. Russell goes up high. Ellis down low. It's going to be David Russell Jr., followed by Mick Ellis, and we almost had this 85 car of Logan Julian sneak in there, Eric. That was a great race.
Yeah, great job by David Russell Jr., RMS Russell Motorsports for this Rockford, Illinois native.
As the point series is winding down for his other division, the American Short Trackers. Eric, I think he's sitting, isn't he? I think he's 5th place in points in the Miller Lite American Short Tracker division. We'll take a look at that real quick here. I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Yeah, as far as American Short Trackers, you got Aaron Root 1st, Steve Erickson Jr. 2nd, Kelly Evink 3rd, Shannon Stoltz 4th, and as you mentioned, David Russell Jr. in your top 5.
He would only hope that his win tonight would help his Miller Lite American Short Tracker points.
Yeah, I know, if he could just carry it over, right?
Right. You can ask him about that tonight after the races. Anyways, right now, Fearless Frank Beldowski having problems earlier tonight after hot laps, got out late for qualifying, still haven't got it figured out. He's just on the track running a few hot laps here to try to get it figured out as he just not having everything going the way he's hoped for.
And with his first heat win, let's give it up for the number 6 car of David Russell Jr.